วัสดีค่ะ Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp and pork dumpling. It's going to be another delicious recipe to add to your breakfast menu. So let's take a look at the ingredients. 200 grams of shrimp, 100 grams of pork, wonton pastry, coriander with roots, garlic oil, broccoli, carrots, egg, sugar, sesame oil, seasoning soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sauce for dumpling. For the marinade, we are going to need this coriander with root. So I just chop it coarsely. Here we go. And next is the carrot. We are going to dice it. I'm going to smash this coriander root together with pepper in the mortar. Okay, I think it's ready. And next step, I'm going to mix the meat and this paste together in this mortar. So here you have to mix until the ground pork and the ground shrimp mix well together. And then just add the carrots that we have prepared into this mortar. Mix them again. Okay, so now it's time to seasoning. Start with the oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. Next one is the seasoning soy sauce, 1 tablespoon as well. And then half tablespoon of the sesame oil. Smells so good. Okay. And then we add a little bit of sugar. Okay, and after we have mixed everything well, we just add the egg white in here. That's good enough. I think it's ready. I'm gonna just let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. And now it's time to make dumpling. So you are going to need this wonton pastry, which you can find in Asian grocery store. So you put in your hand like this and scoop this meat like this. Put it here. And fold it. If it doesn't stick together, you may need a little bit of water. There you go. Or you can do the hand like this. Make it like a bowl. Put the meat inside and you fold it. So that is 300 grams of the meat. So it gives 20 pieces of dumplings exactly. And this portion gonna be served for 4 people. And next step, we're gonna boil them. So when you see that the dumplings are floating, that means it's ready. So you can just take them out from the pot. It takes approximately 7 to 10 minutes. That also depends on how big they are as well. So our dumplings are ready. Time to plate. And dash with a little bit of garlic oil. Sauce for dumpling and fried garlic. And healthy choice for breakfast, add some vegetable on the side. And that's how to make the shrimp and pork dumpling. It's not difficult at all. You can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. So I hope you try this at home. This is a very healthy breakfast. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For today, have a spicy day. สวัสดีค่ะ บ๊ายบาย Now we can talk. It's so good.